What is going on? It's good to be back. I've been taking some time off for the past few weeks. Work has been crazy. Some late days as well, and at the house I've been doing a lot of yard work again, and I actually put in a pool for the kids, which was exciting, but now it's having some issues. So I think it's leaking in the bottom and it's causing a huge flood. So yeah, I have to figure something out with that. And I also pulled my back, which is not great. I've been in pain for the past few days. I haven't been able to move that much, but most of you who know me, even when I'm in pain, I still like to do certain things. I just can't lift or stand for too long. But anyways, the moment that I've been waiting for is that finally I received Roadmaster Bike. And there's a little story to it. So if you guys have seen the previous video when I went hiking and I was talking about the Roadmaster Bike, I had ordered from a seller on Amazon, and long story short, I got an email a few days ago saying, oh, we lost your bike, which is weird because in the Amazon orders it's saying that it was shipped and it was going to be delivered on a certain day, and there was no tracking number, which I thought it was weird, but I was like, oh, okay, whatever. And I messaged them and they said, yeah, your package was lost, we're really sorry. So I got refunded, and Kat, she had a few months ago sent her email to all these stores to notify her when the bikes were available. So we got the email from Target. So we got that bike in, we ordered the bike, and now it's coming soon. But what I am unboxing today is my wife's bike. So we got this bike from a seller online from this app called Let Go. This is not sponsored. My wife had wanted a new bike, so just said, you know, just get that bike from this guy, and then when the bike comes from Target, then I'll take that one. We'll just do a big unboxing. It's crazy. This was a long journey. Everybody has been wanting to buy mountain bikes and they've been sold out everywhere. And what I noticed is that people buy these bikes and even other things like pools, and they buy them for cheap and then they sell them more online. So that's what they've been doing, and the prices have been insanely high. So I lucked out a little bit, and yeah, so today we'll be unboxing Kat's bike, which is a Roadmaster. I think my bike is actually, hold on. Her bike is a Roadmaster and my bike is, I think, a Schwing. Let me see if I got the Schwinn mountain bike, and it's gray and it has a little bit of blue and some green. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So that's from Target. I got a tracking number. It's coming from FedEx, so it's really happening. So I'm excited about that. And also I'll show you guys some accessories that we got for the bike. Well, me personally, I got some gloves. We also got some helmets, which I'll be showing you guys. So this is Kat's helmet. It's from TurboSke, and I'll put all these in the links below, but it's pretty firm. She tried it on and it was really comfy. I did try on mine as well, which I got the same one, just in black. So there it is. And yeah, I'll try that on now. Excuse my hair. So that looks pretty nice. I haven't worn a helmet in like forever, when I was a kid riding rollerblades and bikes, but yeah, not bad. And then I'll show you guys quickly my gloves that I got. I got these without like the fingertips, which are really soft and comfortable. They're called Atercel. And let's see, I'm gonna show you guys. I know you guys can't actually feel how it feels unless if you buy it. I'll put down in the links below. But yeah, it's pretty cozy. And these are obviously nice, so you won't get any calluses on your fingers. And they have like a little nice padding in there, which is good for grip. It's nice and smooth. And I also got some like shorts that has one of those, actually both shorts have compartments to put like a wallet, your cell phone, so that's pretty nice. I've been ready to ride this bike forever, but it'll be coming soon. Maybe I'll try out Kat's bike outside. Now let's unbox the Roadmaster bike. Let's do this. So before we get to this unboxing, I wanted to show you guys, we got this Deluxe trunk bike carrier from Amazon. And this is from Alan. And I'll show you guys that. This one got a lot of good reviews. So this is what we're gonna be using when we go drive out to upstate. We'll put this in the trunk and just put our bikes on. I will not unbox this today because we're not going anywhere soon to drive the bikes, like anywhere that you have to drive somewhere. But once we do, I'll definitely put this on and I'll show you guys how that looks on the car. All right, now let's get to this unboxing. Have it, the Roadmaster Mountain Bike. I'm gonna take it out right now. We're gonna take it to a bike shop just to make sure everything is nice and tight and everything's okay. I'm gonna test it out now. That should be fun. I'll put in the links below, the bike, the 2 helmets, and the bike rack for the car. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.